Peter, I have pods that need to write data to disk. I wish for this data to not be lost when the pods get deleted, restarted, or rescheduled. How can this be achieved on Kubernetes?
Hey Stewie, you need persistent storage for your cluster. If you're running a managed Kubernetes like AWS EKS, you should already have a storage class defined.
What's a storage class?
Think of it as a blueprint or a template that defines how a volume should be created. Storage classes abstract away the underlying storage technology in the implementation details. For example, AWS EKS uses EBS as the storage backend.
Okay, but how does the actual volume creation happen?
After you've ensured a storage class exists, you create a PVC, persistent volume claim. In the PVC definition, you specify attributes like access modes. That specifies how the volume can be accessed, read-write once, read-only many, or read-write many. Resources.request.storage, the desired size of the volume. Storage class name, the name of the storage class that should be used to dynamically provision this volume. If no storage class name is specified, Kubernetes will look for a default storage class, if one is marked as default. When Kubernetes sees a new PVC with a specified storage class name, it looks for the corresponding storage class object. It then identifies the provisioner specified in the storage class. Kubernetes calls the specified provisioner, which is typically an external controller or plugin, and passes it the provisioning parameters from the storage class and the requirements from the PVC, like size and access modes. The provisioner takes the information and creates a volume. Once the volume is created, the provisioner also creates a corresponding persistent volume (PV) object in Kubernetes. This PV represents the newly provisioned storage. Kubernetes then attempts to bind the newly created PV to the requesting PVC. Once the PVC is bound to a PV, pods can consume the storage by referencing the PVC in their volume definitions.
Wow! What if I'm not running EKS or any managed Kubernetes? Do I need to install a provisioner for myself?
Yes, you'll have to do that. But that's something that we'll discuss in the next video. Stay tuned.